Guess that's one way to do it, innit? Buy a plot of land and then get a boat. Nice, isn't it? Parboil Hills just up there. It's been for me baits, guys. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get on it today, I think. Nice, isn't it? All the rugrats are back in school, aren't they? So, yeah. Got a few maggots, a few worms as well. So, aye. Let's get back at the rods, get on it. Probably the last bit of summer now, isn't it? September, 2nd of September. Look at it, someone's building a little bay over there, aren't they? Right, nice one, guys, we'll see you in a bit. Aye, Bridge 40. Got some memories down here. Tell you what, I went to go outdoors and look at them maggots, state of them. Half of them are dead. So we can get them little roads going there. Yeah, we used to fish here years ago. I had a monster carp on that corner, just in that gap there, and it swum up here. That hole's still there. Yeah, it swam. I was on the pole years ago, and I had like a little 8-metre whip. Little number 12 elastic, and it just went. Took me to about there and snapped about there. Someone's lost a layer there in the street. See the line there? Yeah, I'm debating where to go. I don't know if to go up or go back. Parboil's looking alright. River's only down there as well, the Douglas. I could give the Douglas a pop in it. I just don't know. I'll go back at the rods anyway. Alright, let's get on it. I need a new set of rear brake pads. This guy's back on it. Back on the rods. Got me aim. Never used this one before. Probably gone. Super Team 1244. We've got the whole bait on it. A few carp been coming out, I've been told. So yeah, I've just got a bit of ground bait in. Maggots and worms once today. Once we go outdoors, I'll tell you what, go outdoors. They're half dead. Half of them are dead then. But yeah, I don't know if they died in the heat. They've been cool since I've had them. Let's try and catch some fish. First fish, what are we on? Perchy. Yeah, I'm just using half a denser. Gonna try and get the tench. This time last year I had the tench. Back down in Appley Bridge. He's alright to go again. Yeah, I'm just using half a worm. Just on the back. It's probably why it's been dead for about half an hour. Probably an hour, sorry. pike down there, it's twice it's swirled after the roach. Gone dead since. I've had 2 bites since. Nothing else. Might move down a bit in a minute. Go down that way a bit, back towards Rapley Bridge. Might even have a dabble on the River, on the duggy behind me. Seen a few nice chub there then, so might trot away and try and get them. Yeah, there's a pike over there, that's why it's gone dead. That's a fish, what's this one? It's a skimmer. Little skimmer brain. Let's get him hooked. Oh, they're snotty for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna move down I think guys, back towards Rapley Bridge. It's gone dead. That pike's jumped about twice again. Moving on. Back down here the old way. There's an half change there. That's where the water line used to be. Just there. Concrete is it? For that now. Like some kind of slowing down system in it. We used to get some big chub up there years ago. Yeah, this was the original bit. Oh, that's it. Crazy. We'll have a pop down there, give it 10 minutes just down in the pool, so it's happening. It's not as good as it was though. It used to be full, that pool. Oh, it's full of duckweed and everything, look. There's much in that. Never know though, there used to be some nice chub up there. Crazy, eh? It used to be good for it. Yeah, there's a bite there. Yes. I was going to say it used to be good for perch and little perco. This little river perch there. It used to be good for perch and chub here. Done it all up though. Let's get him a look, get him back. Little perco. Yeah, it was only enough little perch then. Let go of the run some maggot. It's not as good as it was this pool, but hey, it is what it is, isn't it? Let's get back on the canal. Back up the top block, Rapley Bridge. 2 guys down there. It's got bad that way though, ain't it? Look at it. It's coming like that. Give it a pop here for a bit. I'm going to try down there as well. Try the bottom part of the duggy as well. Be here in winter. Be here soon, excellent bite. Come past that twice today. Bold. I know where there's some big fish, I remember, so we're going up. Right, move down a bit guys. There's a little perco, come here mate. Yeah, just seen Alan the bailiff up there, other side of the parboat. He said he's wrote to the CRT. Canal River Trust because, come here boy. Because of all the invasive weed and all. Oh, you. Nice perch anyway. Just little roach there. Moved off again. Got off that bend. The boat's coming on. Try here for a bit. Nice little roachy. Moved up again then guys. Just been on the edge of them reeds. I think I'm going to call it this, the last peg here. Come here. Let's see what we got here. Myself a looked. Nice peg, see if we can get that. Should get my net, I've got my net there. Oh, just as I went to grab him. Nice half-pound perch there. Let's carry on anyway. at that sky up there. Playing with fire there, aren't they? Look at that. So I just had that perch out then. Yeah, so I was saying Alan. Basically he's writ to everyone, CRT, the state of the towpaths. Canal River Trust, he's asked them, council, we're good. He's asked everyone, but they're doing nothing about it. Useless, aren't they? And like he was saying, we pay all our money for these licences and that, but what for? You can't even, like, you're lucky to get a peg like this. Few and far little pegs, but they've been making some leads there, making some fishing leads as well. Need a couple of these. Get out. 2 ounce flat pair there. What do you reckon of that, guys? Alright, aren't they? That's the biggest I'll go, 2 ounce. I'll do a video. How I make them and that. I'll probably do a video, no doubt. But yeah, I'm going to call it the last peg, this one. Decent here, right next to the leads. Don't like that sky though. Nice little perchy. Nice little perchy there. Just clean some of that anyway, it's out. State of it. Actually got a straight cast now into the weed. Just need to get that bit and I'll be alright. Just had to set up again then. Fucking got snapped, got caught on the weed. I'm in there though, man. Moved a bit more that pennyweed. Pennywort. Try again. Better perch again, he's alright, isn't he? Yeah, last half hour I think this guy's gone dead again. Probably a big pike sat there. Little fish just jumped out of him, little roach. But yeah, get anything else guys, it'll be bonus. But yeah, thanks for watching again. Stay tuned and I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching guys, cheers.